SealSuite MDM management integrates various types of policies and supports policy setup for different operating systems. Let's take the Windows policy as an example. As you can see, we have several MDM control options under this session. We set an example of the minimum password length for system login. Select the policy assignment scope, then proceed with deploying the policy. You may exclude specific employees or roles from the policy assignment. The excluded users will not be subject to this policy. The same applies to macOS policies. Once the policy profile has been successfully deployed, you should guide the applicable users to install the corresponding configuration profile through the SealSuite client on their active Mac devices. After users sign in to the SealSuite client, the system will automatically prompt a configuration profile check. Users can click Go to install to complete the installation process. In the Configuration Profile dialog, click Enroll to proceed with the installation of the enrollment profile. Enter the local administrator password and click Enroll to complete the MDM enrollment. Disk encryption feature is designed to protect sensitive data stored on devices. We use BitLocker for Windows and FileVault for macOS. Recovery keys can be retrieved using the device ID. Search for and retrieve the recovery key for this device. You can execute remote scripts on your managed devices. We offer commonly used template scripts, and you can also create and execute your own scripts. You can select a template and execute it for the assigned group of users or devices. Once executed, the results will be available under the Jobs tab. Click View to see the detailed execution output for the selected device. To manage your Apple devices, you need to set up APNs and/or ABM ASM. You can follow the step-by-step instructions in each function to set up Apple management. Zero Touch and certain Apple device remote functions require the device to be managed under ABM.